Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Hi children, in today's conversation, we are going to talk about changing money. Different countries have different money. Now you have American dollars, but you want to travel and you are going to Hong Kong, so you got to carry that money with you. Or you are going to Singapore. So whichever country you're traveling to, you should take their money to use in that country. So before you board your flight, you will go to a bank, give your Indian money and exchange for the currency of that particular country you're traveling to. And that's what we are going to talk about. So how to go approach the person, how to get the change and count and get the correct change. When you exchange, you should know so many dollars, so many rupees. So when you exchange so much, how much you get. So that's what we are going to talk about today. Okay? At a foreign exchange bank, what happens? What questions you ask? How to get money changed correctly? So you go to the bank and you say, excuse me, could you tell me today's exchange rate of American dollars? So now, when you go to the bank, different banks might give different exchange rate. Here, you are wanting American dollars. That's the cash you have, and you want to change into Hong Kong dollars because you're going to travel to Hong Kong. Right? And then the question goes on, and then they say the exchange rate, then change in some other place, then different banks inquiry. So, at a foreign exchange, excuse me, excuse me, could you tell me today's exchange rate? Could you tell me? Could you? Could you tell me? Today's exchange rate. Today's. Today's exchange. Could you tell me today's exchange rate of of American dollars for Hong Kong dollars? American dollars for Hong Kong for Hong Kong dollars. So you go into the bank and you ask, excuse me, could you tell me or could you please help me to change this American dollars to Hong Kong dollars? But the rate, you're looking for rate. So you're told the exchange rate is Hong Kong rupees $7.86 to American dollars. Okay, you're going to ask for exchange. So you will say, you will want to exchange. Please tell me, the exchange rate of Hong Kong, okay, you're asking for the exchange rate. So you are told the exchange rate in Hong Kong dollars, that is dollar 7,850. 56 to American dollar. Here you are asking for the rate in Hong Kong dollars to American. You want some American dollars. Then you are told, you are asking again, are the rates in other banks in Hong Kong the same? You are asking, are the rates? You like to know the rate is varying. Are the rates in other banks, are the rates in other banks in Hong Kong, are the rates in other banks in Hong Kong the same? You are making an inquiry. And other banks also give the same? Then you are told, no sir, there could be a slight difference in the rate. Then you are told, no sir, or no madam, there could be. There could be. There could be a slight. There could be a slight difference in the rate. There could be a slight difference in the rate. So it's not always the same, but there can be a slight difference. Thanks. Please exchange. Then you say thank you or thanks. Please exchange. Please exchange. $5,000 American dollars. Please exchange 5,000 American dollars for 5,000 American dollars for Hong Kong dollar. Alright, so 5,000, you're going to change 5,000 American dollars for Hong Kong dollars. Then you're told, please wait. Please wait, sir. You're told, please wait. Please wait, sir. And then I shall get you the change. I shall get you the exchange. Then you are given your exchange and they say, please check. Please check. Here is Hong Kong. Here is Hong Kong dollars, 3,928. Kindly count. Kindly count. So you gave 5,000 and you're getting 3,928 Hong Kong dollars. That's right. Thanks, that's right. Thanks. Oh, that's correct. Now, could you exchange? Now. Could you? Could you change? Could you exchange? Could you exchange some dollars to yen? To yen? Okay, now you want to change some more other dollars to yen. Sure. Sure, sir. Here is your yen currency. Please, please, please count them. Please count them. So you got some into Hong Kong and some into yen dollars. So kind of you, sir. So kind. So kind of you. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, we're talking about foreign exchange. There are different kinds of money. American dollar, Hong Kong dollar, changing from American to Hong Kong depending on the countries that you are going to travel. So you go to the bank, ask for the exchange rate, and then give the amount, collect the correct change, count. That's what we have done now. So let's look at what I have here. I've written here, we will read together. We are doing exchange in foreign currency. So you go to the bank and ask for the rate. Excuse me, could you tell me today's exchange rates of American dollars for Hong Kong dollars? The exchange rate in Hong Kong dollar 7,856 to American dollar. Is that what you want? Yes. Are the rates in other banks in Hong Kong the same? No, sir. There could be a slight difference in the rate. Thanks. Please exchange 5,000 American dollars for Hong Kong dollar. Please wait, sir. I shall get you the exchange. Please check. Here is Hong Kong dollar 3,928. Kindly count. Thanks. Thanks. That's correct. Now, could you exchange some dollars to yen? Sure, sir. Here is your yen currency. Please count them. So kind of you. Thank you so much.